Shopify community. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can find Shopify's community and how you can find all the websites that are powered and created by Shopify. So basically the community of people that have created their websites on Shopify. So to find them, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Google or, whatever browser you use. And on this, you are going to go to the website called myip.ms. So once you come to myip.ms, it's going to give you this website where you're going to go into this top section over here. And here, you're going to write 23.227.38.0. So you're going to write that and you're going to search it up. Now, once you search it up, it's going to bring you here where it's going to say IP address, Canada, IP owner, Shopify, right? So you're going to come here where it says owner IP range and click on other sites on IP. Now, once you go on other sites on IP, you're going to click on I am a human being. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to the list of websites that are operated and powered by Shopify. So when you find these websites for yourself, here you're going to see all the websites of people that are operated by Shopify and the people that have created it using Shopify. So that is how you can find the community on Shopify in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.